This is the protest going on in Igbo land today, being 20th of January 2026. The Biafrans are demanding the release of Nnamdi Kanu. So watch the video.
This is Anambra State Lion Squad, ESM. We are at this junction to request for the release of our leader, Nnamdi Kanu, from the prison, because he did not do anything against the federal.
Used by APC government of Nigeria, when thousands of troops into the street of Igbocha Port Harcourt to show their support for President Trump on 20th of January 2017. We demand justice. Number one, we demand justice for those murdered in cold blood during the President Trump inauguration solidarity rally, and prosecution of those responsible for the massacre and crimes against humanity. We declare our unapologetic solidarity with President Trump right from the day he first declared to be president of USA 10 years ago. We demand the unconditional release of our leader Nnamdi Kanu. We demand a panel of inquiry on invasion of our leader Nnamdi Kanu's home on 14 September 2017 and the killing of more than 28 Biafrans in his home and those responsible. We demand an international community supervised panel of inquiry to investigate issue of insecurity in Southeast from late 2021 till date. Number 6, we demand an international panel of inquiry on the massacre of IPOB members in Anambra State. We demand an international panel of inquiry on the massacre of IPOB members in High School in Abia State. We demand for an international panel of inquiry on the massacre of IPOB members in Headbridge, Onitsha. We demand a public inquiry on Operation Python Dance, the invasion massacre of 28 people at the home of our leader, Nnamdi Kanu. We demand for the unconditional release of all IPOB members in various prisons and detention centers across Nigeria. Nigerians judge should be sent back to school to study and understand basic international law. This is our demand and this is our decree. We are seeking for international community. We are demanding the attention of international community on the genocide perpetrated on Biafran soil. Ndewonu. Kneel down everybody, kneel down everybody.
As we normally do.
The people of the Eastern region have gathered again in their numbers to demand the unconditional release of their son, their leader, Nnamdi Kanu, and they are demanding for the free Republic of Biafra. Let the international community bear us witness. We are peace-loving people. We have come out to demand for the release of our leader, Nnamdi Kanu. Free Nnamdi Kanu now. protests happening live in Abia. We are demanding for the unconditional release of our great leader Nnamdi Kanu. He committed no crime known to law. Free Nnamdi Kanu now. That is what we are demanding today, being the 20th of January 2026. We are demanding for the release of our leader. Yes. Something is going on today, 20th of January 2026. The indigenous people of Biafra, they are protesting. What they are protesting is very simple. We are demanding. Today is a sad day for us, but also a remarkable day, a memorable day in our anniversary for those who was killed and slaughtered in cold blood day. What was their crime? They committed no offense. The only offense they committed because they stand firm to show their support to Mr. Trump, the President of the United States of America. That was the only offense they committed. We are here demanding the world should know IPOB are not backing down. Indigenous people of Biafra, we are not backing down. Not one day, not today, not forever. Our land must be given. No run, no run. No run, no run, no run. No run, no run. And our demand is still remain many things. We want justice for those being killed on that very day. On that very day, being 20th of January 2017. Those people we are killed on cold blood. We are here declare our own politics solidarity to the world. For them to know we are demanding justice. For the world to know since 2021 injustice going on. All the injustice going on in zoo called Nigeria. Our leader's house was invaded on April 14th, 2027. More than 28 people go down. Nigeria government, APC government, killed an innocent and armless civilians. They shot them because they are demanding for their rights. Our leader was preparing to go to the court. Nigeria government invaded their home and killed more than 28 people. And we are here demanding the international community to make an investigation over the insecurity going on in Southeast. Many governors of Southeast, they Their hands are in the insecurity going on in Southeast. Our demands remains thorough investigation for the massacre of our people at Ugweche, Port Harcourt, Hebridge, Onitsha. A lot of atrocity goes on that very day, 2017, 20th. Up to 9 years now, nothing has been happening. No investigation. Nothing was going on. We demand justice. We demand justice. We demand justice. The Nigerian government should go out, show us the law they use and sentence him. Yeah. Our demands. This is our demand. Easy. This is our demand. This is our demand. This is our demand. Let the world know. Let the world know. Let the world know. IPOB are not backing down. We cannot back down. Let the world know. This is our. Let the world know. This is our justice. This is our justice. We need justice. We need justice. Our demand is simple. People are killed at Abia State. People were killed at Imbo, at Imo State, Tiger Place. Our youth have, even at Imo State, all the eastern region in Imo State, our youth have been slaughtered at the Tiger Base. Here in Anambra, go to Lion Base. They have killed a lot of people. The atrocity in the old eastern region, southeast, is unbearable. Trump, we demand you to intervene. Set a culinary justice, ICC International, all over the world. We want the world. We not see the law. 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 This is me. No faith in Zanga. Not a brotherly fair. No freedom, no peace. And I go, nobody fight again. If I let Kubo, no freedom, no peace. Nigeria government will buy. If they shoot them, we tell them how we have prepared. We are prepared. We are prepared beyond everything. Donald Trump, they are bribing your representatives. Yes, we are here. Life and direct. Life and direct. Our demand is simple. Our demand are simple. We are life and direct. Our demand are simple. Our demand are simple. Our demand are simple.